Again, if you've been paying attention, you know I do variations from the key, and this is a good example of a variation, and we've done these before. I would make the substitution where u would be the first term. And if u is the first term, what's the second term? It's the reciprocal of u, so it'll be 1 over u, and then what do you get? You get 10/3. Let me point out what I'm doing over here. U is equal to 2x minus 3n over 3x plus n. I find this easier to do when I make a substitution because it's less writing for me. I'm going to multiply both sides by the LCD, which is 3u, so I would get 3u squared plus 3 equals 10u, 3u squared minus 10u plus 3 equals 0, and I think you know what I'm going to do now. I'm going to use factorizations to see if I can get it. And what's nice about those numbers, they provide no choice whatsoever. All right, let's just check it though. By the way, having no choice doesn't mean it's right, all right? Let's see, 3u squared, that bingo, minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. Yep, things are working out nicely. So I get u equals 1/3 or u is equal to 3. But I still have to find out what x is. We're solving for x. So I'll write those down. I'll write down 3. Well, what's u? It's this thing. I'll write this down one at a time. We'll match the key, by the way. And what do you get there? 9x plus 3n equals 2x minus 3n. 7x minus 6n, x equals minus 6n over 7. I see that right there. Right, we're expecting that. Let me do the other one. And again, we're just walking over the key. I'm going to erase this now. I'm done with that. I got that. Let's do the other one now. That's 1/3. That's what u is. And what does that equal? 2x minus 3n over 3x plus n. Really simple equation to solve. You get 3x plus n, 6x minus 9n. Well, you get 10n, 3x, and that would give you x equals 10n over 3. Again, how did they go about it? I want to point out what they did was they used the quadratic formula to get those answers, all right? Now, going back to the original problem, I want to point out, you know, there are troubles. Like, for example, if x were 3n over 2 would be trouble, because it would make this thing to be 0. And I didn't get that, so I'm not too worried. And the other one was, it would be minus n over 3 for x. I'm not getting that, so not trouble, all right? I'm getting these answers by factoring also the quadratic formula. Thank you.